Hi guys, my name is Devansh and welcome back to my channel Baate. From long time I wanted to make this video and finally it's up on the channel. So spending time with yourself is very important to find that inner peace and satisfaction and to take a pause from all the chaos happening around you. And I will be sharing some of the things which I do to gain my inner peace. So many people think that spending time with yourself means going on 2 months vacations or trips or going on a long drive or a walk. हमें ये नहीं कह रहे कि ये सब चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए, पर मेरी जान, all this is only successful if you really found yourself, if you really talk to yourself while doing any of these things, if you can find that obstacle which is coming between you and your goals or any other thing. काफ़ी लोग ऐसे समय प्रॉब्लम से भागने का ट्राई करते हैं, विच इज़ रॉन्ग. आप प्रॉब्लम से नहीं, आप अपने आप से भाग रहे हो. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप और ऑन अ वॉक और ड्राइव और एनीथिंग, जस्ट डू नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम्स. इंस्टेड ट्राई टू सॉल्व, ट्राई टू थिंक. अगर सॉल्व हो भी नहीं रहा है तो आप खुद से सवाल कीजिए कि मैं कहाँ गलत जा रहा हूँ. जस्ट डू नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम्स, बिकॉज जब ये चीज़ें फ्यूचर में रिपीट होगी तब आपको सेम प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करनी पड़ेगी. सो इंस्टेड ट्राई एंड सिट to talk with yourself. Now let's talk about how I spend time with myself. But first of all, if this question is coming in your mind कि अकेला क्या ही कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी, अकेला कहाँ जाऊँगा and blah blah, then stop it right away. And if someone else is poking you with these questions again and again, then get rid of those people. So yeah, what I do is, and which you can also try, is find something in which you can enjoy doing it, जो आपको बाकी सारी चीज़ों से थोड़े टाइम के लिए दूर रखे. You can do anything like reading old books, listening to old songs, playing with the stray dogs, sketching, drawing, doing photography, which is my forte. And I'm so satisfied doing this because I personally feel that there is no one whom I know will judge me for whatever I'm doing right now. So doing all of this will eventually make you happy and you will find yourself. Second, reading and writing. I have been writing from so many years, and yeah, I'm not kidding. I have been writing small thoughts and small stories, and yeah, ये सब मैं Instagram या YouTube पे कंटेंट बनाने के लिए नहीं लिखता हूँ. I just feel positive while writing. That's why I'm doing that. And आपको कोई राइटर की तरह लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to write for yourself. Write down your random thoughts, what you want to do, what is your favorite food, what is your favorite destination, पूरे दिन आपने क्या किया, how you feel about others or how you feel about yourself, and etc. Second is reading. I was not at all a book person, but recently I started reading, and trust me, I feel so good and I enjoy reading it. So अच्छा लगे या ना लगे वो बात की बात है, but try ज़रूर करना. And second other thing which I have started recently is putting down your phone every day for some time. जब तक फ़ोन पास में होगा तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. Exactly. So जब तक फ़ोन पास में होगा तब तक ये सभी चलता रहेगा. And spending time with yourself is saying no to everything and everyone. Try to come out of your comfort zone, like going out and starting a conversation with any random people, going on a coffee date with someone. I know. Now you will say that you asked us to spend time alone, but from that I also mean that breaking your routine and breaking that comfort zone, which will make you realize that you can do 10 different things also. One small request is, just don't like this video. If you will not implement any of these things in your life, then there is no meaning in watching this video. So give it a shot maybe. So yeah, do all of these things, but at the end your main goal should be finding yourself, finding inner peace, and give yourself a chance to be with yourself, and you are good to go. Thank you so much. Share this video and see you in the next video. Till then, spread positivity.